Dear students, every morning get up from your bed with a good thought and plannings. Take care of your health and take care of health of your family also, which is very important in present situation. So we have already started with the explanation of the chapter carboxylic acid. And once again to remind you that in the first lesson of carboxylic acid we have completed the definition and homologous series and classification of carboxylic acid, correct? So I hope you might have revised, and the PDF that you have got, that also you might have revised. So timely when we have our notes with us for these chapters. Okay, of course we'll have the explanation, but we'll also get your exercise questions, okay, which you have to revise timely. So let us start with the next part of the chapter. So here we have today one example of carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. So acetic acid, as you can see, molecular formula CH3COOH. So you know the IUPAC name also. It is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. So in our syllabus we have to study the structural formula of acetic acid और ethanoic acid. बाद में हमको पढ़ना है how to prepare acetic acid. Okay, बाद में uses. So let us study first the structural formula of acetic acid. So molecular formula you have to know CH3COOH. So CH3. Now you know what is structural formula. You have to show the proper bonding between each atoms in a molecule, showing the covalent bonds between carbon and other atoms. Now see CH3. So CH3 means 1, 2, 3. CH3. Then COOH, how we can write? C double bond OH. Keeping in mind everywhere that valency of the carbon is 4. Means carbon should have 4 bonds. So here also carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So very simple. So this we have to practice the structural formula for acetic acid. Now we have two methods of preparation here for acetic acid. First one from alcohol, C2H5OH, ethanol. So ethanol, okay, will undergo oxidation. Okay, it will undergo oxidation and directly we will get acetic acid. Okay. Now what is happening here? Only one O will get added to this molecule, and it will give you CH3COOH. And one O which is remaining, okay, and two hydrogens from this molecule will form water. So you have got acetic acid. So this way we prepare the acetic acid from an alcohol. You know this is alcohol because it is containing OH group, and already we have completed the chapter alcohols. Now the second method, very important method. It is a two-step method. It is a two-step method. This is the first step for this method, and this is the second step. First step, second step. Here we are going to prepare acetic acid from ethyne. Ethyne means acetylene. Acetylene, C2H2. In our text they have given textbook they have given like this, C2H2. Molecular formula they have given C2H2. So it becomes slightly difficult to understand how the reaction take place. कि reaction कैसे proceed हो रहा है. Okay, so I have simplified, writing the structural formula for ethyne. हमने ऐसा लिखा है कि C2H2 को HC ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH, ये आपको पता है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप हाइड्रोलाइसिस है एसिडिक मीडियम में, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. तो एसिडिक मीडियम में मतलब डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड मतलब वाटर इज मोर, सो वाटर इज गोइंग टू रिएक्ट. सो वाटर विल रिएक्ट विद acetylene and complete water molecule is added here. Okay, two hydrogens will get added here. You get CH3, and one oxygen gets added here. You get CHO. Okay, and triple bond gets converted to single bond in this molecule. Now still we have not got acetic acid, अभी तक नहीं मिला. ये क्या है, अल्डिहाइड है. CHO ग्रुप मतलब अल्डिहाइड. ओके, सो अल्डिहाइड can immediately undergo oxidation in second step. This aldehyde you take here. आप second step में यहाँ पे ये aldehyde को लेना है, react with oxygen, and then finally we get two molecules of acetic acid. So this way we can prepare acetic acid by these two methods given in our syllabus. Okay, so you have to practice the reaction. Okay, and wherever structural formula in any chapter, okay, so you have to write and practice. Okay, otherwise it is difficult to keep the concept in mind. So please ये ध्यान में रखिए and follow my instructions carefully so that you can keep the concept in mind. So this was all for today. The structural formula of acetic acid, methods of preparation. Okay, uses of acetic acid very easy. Already you know. It is used in vinegar. It is present in vinegar. Okay, it is also used to prepare medicines. Okay, so uses, of course all uses you have to study, because physical properties, uses, always they can ask in the form of objective type of questions for one mark. So that you can directly revise. There is no detailed explanation like these concepts for that part. So next time we have the last part of the chapter, chemical reactions of carboxylic acid. That will end up the chapter. And then I told you we'll continue with periodic table explanation. Important concepts, you will get the explanation. And then after periodic table we'll just see that we have to wind up one chapter, that is acids, bases and salt, which I have started. So I think for some days you will be getting PDF. Some less video links you will get, but PDF for 3 days 3-4 days and only 1 or 2 videos in a week for the explanation of earlier chapters we will get. So don't worry. Okay, so revise this well and of course take care. Okay, and have a nice day.